Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. That is something that my camera needed to focus on or it wasn't going to focus. I have, wait for it, Vivid Intense colors with a new pouring mixture that I used Floetrol and some GAC 800 and what else? Some base paint. I don't think it matters that much what you use. I am going to give myself a little bit of a puddle in the middle. And I'm going to take some chances. I'm going to use my turquoise. I'm going to check and see what that's actually called. And I'm assuming that this is Dioxazine purple. And I know that I have another purple that I made with the magenta and some white. And I think I'm going to use some magenta. And then a little bit of orange. Whoa, more than a little bit. I'm not quite used to these yet. Then I'm going to try and centralize that, sort of, kind of. I'm going to use, that wasn't meant to come out like that. The black and the white cell activator and some Mayan gold. Prizm Pour, Mayan gold. All the rest of the colors are, I should be using a blow dryer, but I'm going to try and blow this out. I'm lightheaded, go figure. Woo! I don't think I can spin this. And I'm way inclined to put another little drop of black in the center. And the canvas is covered with white, so I don't really need to worry about anything. You know what? I'm pretty sure this won't spin out, but I'm pretty sure I want to find out that by trying it. So this is the proverbial here goes nothing. Put my barrier in place. Move a few more things out of the way. Make sure that needs to be moved out. Let's try it, shall we? Because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link next to my second book, called Unlimited Possibilities. Hey, the colors are pretty, so it doesn't matter. I'm not a slow spinner. Plenty of people will tell you spinning slow is a good idea. I'm not one of those people. I'm thinking that I could get some of that paint to move. I kind of like it. Just like it is with those little cute little white cells in the middle. I've got some paint down around the edges, and if I want to continue it, I've got over runoff. I like it. I'm going to torch it and see what happens. I still kept some cells. I'm kind of shocked. The shocking Vivid Intense experiment. Really surprised. Cosmic Flower. One of these times I'm going to have to put white or black in between my layers. Oh, made it bubble. Paint's thin. Made it bubble and smoke. Not recommended. And I've just used the colors that match the spaces. Tell you guys, it seems to be okay in spite of what I just did. Not sure what that is, but I'm pretty sure I can make it go away. If not today, tomorrow. Nope, not a good idea. I had a moment where I forgot I fried the painting. Which way do I like it the best? I kind of like it that way for you. It's a slightly off-kilter flower, but that's okay. So I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check for my 15% off coupon code for Colourate products under the video. It'll take you right to Colourate. I'm just going to I'm going to clean my fingers off. Don't know about that paint chip. That's got to go. Goodbye, paint chip. I can't believe that came off, actually. And since there isn't a lot of white under there, I can definitely go through and nudge some of the matching colors into place. Which I probably didn't need to because it looked kind of roughly and kind of cool. I think this paint might be the perfect paint for me to play with a Dutch pour, just because I can. Alright, I like what I got. I'm going to zoom in on it and show you guys. I like using a little gold with the paint that's not gold, not sparkly. I did get a little purple on my edge. I think I can cover that up later. That's pretty. I like it. And it's got some sparkle because of the Mayan gold. If I didn't say that was Mayan gold, I hope I did. The rest of it will be shiny. If I put a gloss finish on it, it'll definitely be shiny, but otherwise I'm not so sure. This is my first day trying this paint. This is my third painting using it. And I had a ball. Thank you guys for coming. I post at 2:15 Eastern Standard Time. 2:15 p.m. so far, unless I change. Thinking about changing to much earlier in the morning. It's worth contemplating. Cosmic Flower. Cool. Love the colors. The colors are awesome. So please give me a thumbs up. When you share my videos, you help me out. When you watch them longer, you help me out. Your comments keep my morale boosted. I really appreciate them. Thank you so much for your donations through PayPal. They keep me painting. They keep me on YouTube. If you'd like to join my channel, it's $9.99 a month. It's a huge help to me to buy art supplies, and you get access to a members-only library of 60 to 70 videos that's going up all the time. My community board will show you tomorrow's video most evenings, and questions are welcome. I'm happy to get back to you. I have 28 lists of 100 videos, and I have them also organized by topic and genre. If you need a video from a playlist and you'd like to have it, mention it to me, and I'll do my best to look it up. On the link tree, not only will you find the 15% off coupon code for Colourate, but you'll find excuse me, you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Appreciation Group, Society 6, Le Gallerist. My website is there. All kinds of stuff is there. Anyway, if you'd like to contact me for a lesson, information about a lesson at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, or purchasing an artwork, my email address is easpv, and the word gallery spelled out, @gmail.com. Whatever I have forgotten. Oh, my Amazon link is also on the link tree, and my 2 books are there, Because It Can and Unlimited Possibilities. So, if I can help you guys, please don't hesitate to ask. I love you much. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.